Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of association and causation. This is standard A.4B in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 31, which is a new item type called Table Match of the Redesign Practice Online STAAR Test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have two statements here, and they either need to show association, causation, both, or neither. This is a table match, which means for each row, you notice I can only select one answer here. I can't select two for that statement. And if I were to just select one and try to move on, I would get an error message saying I have not completed everything because I need to have one in each row. So I've got my two statements I need to evaluate. So let's open up our graph draw because they don't give us any information about what this means, this association or causation. I'm going to go ahead and write some definitions for you, but if you look at your reference materials, you're not going to find anything. Okay, so what do we know about association? This is a definition that you probably want to have coming into the STAAR test because, like I said, you're not going to be able to find anything in the reference materials that helps you. So this is when two variables or two things are related. So it is what we would consider a weaker relationship. So I'm going to put that in blue just to kind of highlight that this is weaker. So when things are associated, there's some type of connection, right? There's a relationship, but you can't say that one causes the other. That's the stronger one. That's the causation. So this causation here is when one variable is directly affected by another. You can say that one variable causes the other. So that's the stronger relationship. So directly affected by the other. And so let's see what that looks like here. We'll go ahead and put the word stronger. So that's how we think one is weak, one is strong. All right, so let's take a look at what we're dealing with here. As the outside temperature in degrees Celsius increases, so this is our independent variable right here. So the temp increases. The temp goes up. The number of minutes it takes for a bowl of ice cream to melt decreases. Okay, so melting time decreases. Well, first off, is there any relationship between increasing temperature and decreasing melt time? If there's a relationship, even a weak one, right, you can definitely say there's an association. Okay, now, so we have an association, and here's the thing: when you have an association, you automatically have a causation. So you're not going to find just a causation only, right? That's not a good answer choice. If it's causation, it's going to be an association as well. But whether it's both, we'll see. So can you say that the temperature increasing causes the melt time to go down? Well, yeah, that actually makes sense because that's what regulates how long it takes to melt is the temperature. So as one goes up, the other goes down. Yeah, I think we could say that this causes the other. So honestly, our answer here is going to be this option right here, this third column, both association and causation. Let's check this other one. As the sales of winter coat increases, so we've got winter coat sales. That goes up. That's our X. The outside temperature decreases. Well, as the temp goes down, winter sales going up. Yeah, I could definitely see an association there. But can you say that this directly causes this? So if suddenly a store were to sell more coats, that would cause the temperature to go down. No, we're not going to say that. So we are going to say it's an association, but it's an association only. So our second answer is that.